clients really like us for our customer service. They talk about our fast support desk and the monthly meetings that we hold with them to discuss the results on their campaigns.
So we work in partnership with our clients, sharing our expertise and knowledge with them, whether that's through our monthly meetings, through our training boot camps and audits, or through our Digital Accelerator programme.
We don't give all the jargon that other agencies seem to do, and we don't try to sell. We let our experience and our understanding kind of speak for itself.
We like to work in partnership with clients, so we like to be an extension of their team, I suppose. We like to build up a really good relationship with our clients. It's that constant communication and engagement, really.
We've learned that you can only deliver truly great returns through digital if you really know your customer. So we have to work as a team with them, and we have to all understand what the campaign's supposed to be doing to deliver the result.